Hi, my name is Dr. Walker. I'm a pediatric dentist and one of the founders of CDI. I wanted to share just a brief history of myself. I finished dental school in 1997 and knew I wanted to be a pediatric dentist, so I went straight into my residency program and finished in '99. After that, I bought a practice straight out of school and felt like I was ready to go. And of course, as we've all learned, there's so much we don't know. In fact, I still remember the first week of practice, having one of my staff come up to me after we'd just seen a patient, and she goes, "They want to know if they can make a payment plan." I remember thinking, I don't know. And I actually asked her, I said, "Well, do you think they would actually make their payments?" And I realized then and there that there was so much I didn't know. So my goal after that was really just to learn all that I could. And my big motivating drive was I didn't want to look back 10 years from then or 15 or 20 years and say, boy, if only I would have learned this 5 years ago or 10 years ago. So I went to every conference I could, had several consultants come in, and from everything, not everyone had the best things for me, but you kind of pick and glean, and it worked. About every 2 years, for a total of 15 years, about every 2 years, our production would go up by about 250,000. Our collection went up, not always by that much, but it just kept going up. So 2 years later, 250,000 more was our production. Another couple years, the same, and it just kept going on and on and on until after 16 years, I ended up selling my practice and kind of came to a crossroad and kind of deciding what is it that I wanted to do. And what I really enjoy doing is sharing and helping other pediatric dentists. The one thing I wanted to share with our production is my big goal, and we all have different visions, but my vision was to spend time with my family. The children were young, and so I was able to start at 4.5 days a week, 4 days in the office and a half a hospital day a week, and cut that back. And for the last 6 years of practice, I was working 3.5 days a week, and again, producing so much more. I also, when I started, there was 2 other pediatric dentists in the town, and by the time I finished, there were 11 pediatric dentists within a 20-mile radius. So even with the competition increasing, kind of the principles and strategies and systems, they really do work. And so I look forward to working with you and helping find what your vision is. And once we can clearly identify your vision, then we go through your practice, your numbers, and look at everything. And then we together look at what actions can give us the best results going forward. So I look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.